Today, we delve into a gripping story of justice, injustice, and an encounter that forever altered the lives of those involved. This is what happens when police brutality sees no end. The unnecessary and unjust behavior of the police lead to the devastation of innocent lives. Prepare yourselves for a roller coaster of emotions as we navigate through a shocking incident that left us questioning the very essence of law enforcement and compassion. The price you pay as a criminal is the same price you pay as an innocent man. Is it fair? Is playing with your son on the lawn outside your home a crime? Is walking to the supermarket and getting essentials a crime? Well, it seems like it is for the police. Here, we present a heart-wrenching story where police brutality on an innocent man shakes the trust you have on the police department. It all begins on a seemingly ordinary day when a police officer, sworn to protect and serve the people of the neighborhood, crosses paths with an innocent man. The man was minding his own business with no intention of harming or affecting anyone, but little did he know that he would become the victim of an astonishingly brutal and unjust act. This particular incident was captured on camera and sparked widespread outrage, leading to unforeseen consequences for both the parties involved that no one could have predicted. As our story unfolds, we find ourselves at a busy street intersection where an unsuspecting innocent man, John, is going about his day. He has no idea that his life is about to change in ways he can never have imagined. Out of nowhere, a police officer, Officer Smith, approaches John with a confrontational attitude. He seems to be agitated for a reason that is unknown to John. "Officer Smith, what are you doing here? Show me some identification." What happens next is both shocking and appalling. Officer Smith, without any provocation that John seemed to have inflicted on the officer, unleashes an unjustified, intentional burst of anger. He first starts by verbally abusing John, and the matter escalates rapidly, and he starts physically assaulting John. Then subjects John to brutal treatment. He was injured on the head and on his back. There were bruises all over his face. The situation escalates rapidly as more officers join in, leaving John in a state of utter shock and pain. The people in the neighborhood start assembling around the scene. The assault was so brutal and out of nowhere that even the locals were shocked to see this treatment being meted out on John. Some people there knew John, and even they couldn't come help him out because the officer had lost it. He was raging with uncontrollable anger, and poor John became the innocent victim to this outrage. The incident is captured on numerous phones and quickly spreads across social media, sparking an outcry of indignation from the public. Protests erupt, demanding justice for John and accountability on Officer Smith. People from all walks of life stand united in their quest for fairness and reform within the police force. With the support of the community and legal representatives, John seeks justice through the legal system. As the case gains momentum, revelations surface about Officer Smith's previous misconduct, raising questions about the police department's handling of complaints against their own officers. The turning point arrives as Officer Smith is ultimately dismissed from the force and faces criminal charges for his actions. The trial is highly anticipated, with the world watching closely to see if justice will indeed be served. This was just one example that came to the public's eyes. Likewise, there are many more incidents that have been kept hidden under a thick blanket of bribes and corruption. So there you have it, the gripping story of unraveling injustice, the encounter that changed lives. This tale is a powerful reminder of the importance of accountability, empathy, and fairness within our law enforcement system. While this incident left scars on many lives, it also ignited a powerful movement for positive change. As viewers, let us continue to hold those in power accountable and work towards a society where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. If you like this video and wish to learn more about the injustice that happens and be a part of uncovering more such stories, subscribe to our channel. You will not miss out on any of our stories, and you can be a part of the change we're bringing about in this world. Let us know of any such incidents that you've heard of in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share our video, and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey. Until next time, take care and remember, together we can shape a better world.